अरे
नमस्ते।
ऐसा क्यों? क्या बढ़िया
नमस्ते।
स्टार्ट किया
Welcome,
आपने।
welcome, guys.
वेलकम बैक अगेन।
Harry Maguire. Let's start with Harry Maguire.
सॉरी बोलना पड़ेगा सबको बिकॉज वी वांटेड टू
क्यों?
डू दिस अर्लियर यस्टरडे, बट AWS का आउटेज जो अभी भी है थोड़ा बहुत, ऐसा नहीं है कि वो पूरा कंप्लीटली गया है। दे स्टिल रीलिंग द आफ्टर इफेक्ट्स ऑफ AWS आउटेज बिकॉज जो उनका मेन टेक सपोर्ट है वो तो इंडिया में है ना, सब छुट्टी पे साले।
सब
So nobody is able
सब
to
दिवाली
fix
बना
it.
रहे
अरे नहीं, सब इट इज लेजिट इशू। छुट्टी पे है इसलिए उन लोग को बहुत टाइम लग रहा है फिक्स करने के लिए issue। जैसे
ठीक है
कैसे
ना।
एलेक्स फर्ग्यूसन 13 साल से छुट्टी पे है, हम लोग फिक्स ही नहीं कर पा रहे क्लब। सिमिलरली वो जो स्मॉल लेवल
आज
स्मॉल
आज आज
अमाउंट ऑफ पीपल है
आज
वो।
नेगेटिव नहीं, आज ओनली पॉजिटिव। वी fucking beat Liverpool, so no
आई एग्री एंड
negatives.
आई नो 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 नो, एक नेगेटिव तो मैं फिर भी बोलूंगा, एंड आई सेड
क्या?
दिस यस्टरडे आल्सो इन अ पॉडकास्ट दैट वी वर नॉट एबल टू अपलोड। हम लोग 35 गेम बाद 2 गेम लगातार जीते। आई स्टिल कैन नॉट
खुशी
गेट ओवर।
खुशी देख रहा है, लेकिन दो ऐसा लग रहा है कि वर्ल्ड कप जीत गया हम लोग। बट इट्स सच अ बिग थिंग टू बी ऑनेस्ट। हमारा
या
बेंचमार्क इतना नीचे है
है
कि
ही
दो
नहीं।
बैक टू बैक नहीं। बट देन ना, forget all that. Like, let's start big win. Like Liverpool, कुछ भी हो, we did well. Benchot,
At
Liverpool,
home.
Anfield,
Liverpool at home.
exactly.
वेरी गुड।
उनको मारा, वो भी एकदम, like it's not like a fluke or something like that. We played well. Everyone played well. The
प्रॉपर।
whole team.
नो
Remember
नो नो नो,
preview
नॉट द होल
में
टीम।
क्या?
डालो एंड ब्रूनो डिड नॉट, बट बाकी लोग
हाँ,
सब
Bruno had a
अच्छा
bad game. Bruno
थे।
actually had a bad game.
ब्रूनो हैड अ बैड गेम। डालो हैज हैड बैड 3 सीजंस, बट दैट्स ओके। एक इतना सेक्सी मीम आया था ना,
Yeah.
if you see Dalo playing for 30 seconds, you will get frustrated ki how bad this guy plays. But if you watch him for 90 minutes, yes, he does play bad. It's such a great thing.
He's consistent at it.
He's consistently bad.
एक चीज में तो
But yes,
consistent था.
correct. But
But
again, he said, brilliant game at Anfield away, specifically with Man United's record. एक पॉइंट लिया है बाकी सारे गेमों में। Then you go to Anfield and you play probably one of your finest footballs for the first time. Not clinical, but a very good football. Whatever जैसा भी counter attack पे खेल रहे या possession based खेल रहे, whatever Amorim set them up, I think this is the, we always talk this ना, कौन सा United team turn up होगा पता नहीं।
see, exactly,
I
मैं वही
really
बोल रहा था,
hope
प्रीव्यू में वही बात किया था.
I really hope कि ये United team हर game पे turn up,
Consistency.
just like half consistency.
But this was from the whistle, right? Like जैसी हुआ, like that's what we were talking कि अगर जो सनलैंड के साथ गेम खेला, अगर same team turns up, which we don't know, which even Amorim doesn't know, अगर they play with the same intensity, see again the same point, right? बड़वे खेल सकते हैं, खेलना है कि नहीं है ये इनको पता है, खेलते नहीं है. एंड दिस अगेन वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट लिवरपूल एट एनफील्ड, और बेंचो सीटी बजने से चढ़ना चालू, बेंचो 2 मिनट के अंदर गोल हो गया है, उनको पता नहीं क्या हो रहा है. वो फाउल के लिए रो रहा है, खुद के प्लेयर को कोहनी मार के भाई ने यहाँ पे गोल भी मार दिया, सेलिब्रेशन चालू है फुल फ्लो में. लाइक इवन आई वाज सरप्राइज कि लाइक वेट व्हाट द फक डिड वी एक्चुअली स्कोर, लाइक व्हाट्स हैपनिंग, समझ रहा है. 2 minutes.
I 62 seconds.
62
Mario,
seconds.
Actually not even.
62 seconds.
Yeah.
I'll tell you what, me and Mario were watching the game. Mario yet couldn't believe it. I had to, उसको मैंने ऐसे हिला के जोर से ताली मारा, अबे गोल हो गया. He said,
Same.
what? हम लोग मैच लाइव देख रहे हैं, मारियो और बाजू में बैठ के गोल हुआ, मैं चिल्ला रहा हूँ उसे, फक फक, व्हाट अ बॉल, एम्बोमो ने गोल डाला और मारियो लाइक दिस. हाँ? उसको यकीन ही नहीं हो रहा है कि एक्चुअली गोल डाला है मैन यूनाइटेड ने इन 62 seconds against Liverpool at Anfield. He just couldn't believe it.
Everything about that goal was like perfect, inch perfect, right?
Yeah.
Maybe the shot could have been a little better, but everything in the build-up was like perfect. He could have hit it a little further away from the body. We were we've been so unlucky in our games of this season, right? That we shouldn't take such chances. But it was a goal. It was a good goal. It was a good move. I think.
It all started from Bruno. And I
Yeah.
think वो first minute अच्छा खेला, उसके बाद directly
It
खत्म
it all
88th
सीधा
minute पे अच्छा
it,
खेला.
सीधा assist.
it all
But
started
that was a
it all
very
started
fucking
with
good
Maguire.
assist.
But again, that again started because of Maguire. The first goal also the build up. Maguire to
Yeah.
Bruno, Bruno to Ahmad, Ahmad to
डाला
Mbomo, Mbomo to
that
उनका
Ahmad
कौन था वो
to
गारमले.
एम्बुमो जो हो गया है ना, इतना सही हो गया ना वो राइट का, एकदम बोलते हैं ना अंगार हो गया. लाइक इट्स अ नाइटमेयर फॉर
Great,
अदर्स.
great point. I wanted to bring this up. वो अपना जो right wing back और right आगे जो भी whatever formation अब in place, Mbomo और Ahmad का जो overlap है और जो आगे पीछे है, भाई साहब, Liverpool was not able to cope with entire game.
They Yes, exactly. This is what I want to talk about. Like Liverpool, like चल पहला गोल तो हो गया. Now considering Liverpool playing at Anfield, चढ़ जाना चाहिए था, पेल देना चाहिए था हमको. वो गोल के बाद स्पेशली आफ्टर द सेकंड मिनट. नहीं, अपने प्लेयर चढ़ रहे हैं. लाइक इंटेंसिटी कम नहीं हुआ है, सब के सब चढ़ रहे हैं. मिडफील्ड से लेके डिफेंस से लेके आगे वाले प्लेयर्स, उनको समझ में ही नहीं आ रहा है. दे हैव नो क्लू. उन लोग वो रजिस्टर ही नहीं कर पाए. एंड आई थिंक दे ओनली केम बैक इन द सेकंड हाफ सॉर्ट ऑफ प्रॉपर. लाइक गैप को एक ही
I
बंदा था जो था जिसने गांड फाड़ दी, और एल्स ना. हाँ मारी.
no I don't think they like we started to settle in the second half. We allowed them the space to come at us in the second half. It's not like in the first half also they didn't attack. They tried to attack. Every time they were attacking, right, there is a lot of space opening up which we could use.
Exploit, yeah.
Mbeumo on the right and Cunha on the center and left parts, right? They were getting to run whenever Liverpool was climbing up. And so, in that
In
sense, it's not that they were attacking, it's more that we were sitting back, letting them come at us to open those gaps.
Yeah, that's
in
true.
Second
fact,
half,
if we were clinical enough, and Mario, we spoke about it, right? If we were clinical enough, we should have been 2-0, 3-0 up in the first half itself. Game उधर ही बंद हो गया था.
हाँ.
That miss from Bruno.
Bruno
Oh my
miss.
God, what
That
are
should
you
have been a
doing?
goal. That should have been a goal. There is no excuse on that. Like तेरे पास प्रेशर नहीं है, कुछ नहीं है, तू ले सकता था भाई. लाइक वो लेना ही चाहिए था, स्पेशली इन दिस गेम. इमेजिन 2-0 डाउन. वो टाइम पे उनकी हालत क्या होती थी. वो तभी हिल गए थे. लाइक अगर 2-0 हो गया होता, fuck, I don't know, but forget it. Like I'm
अगर
just saying.
2-0 होता ना, अगर 25 मिनट पे 2-0 होता ना, we would have won 4-0 because then Liverpool would have opened themselves. Like भागो, we
और
don't care,
attack
we're already
करते.
losing the game. हमें फटे काउंटर पे चांसेस मिलते, we would have.
Actually,
But okay, no complaints. I am extremely happy that we won. And
3 points.
what a redemption arc for Harry fucking
Harry
Maguire.
Maguire.
Bruno also जाके ड्रेसिंग रूम में से चिल्लाया
Harry Maguire.
Harry Maguire.
Bro, but that guy, fuck,
Also
that header, like that pass, everything was perfect. Like क्योंकि that was a hard ball to like actually take on volley और फिर बराबर डालो. उसने हल्का सा लेके भी एकदम प्रॉपर, एकदम बोलते हैं ना, एकदम भी ज्यादा नहीं बचाया. और Maguire, bro, fuck that header, like
must
better.
and most importantly, United responded within the 5 minutes of conceding.
Yes.
yes.
The most important point. We spoke about this, Mario. कि साला if United gets a goal, if we concede a goal, हम लोग एकदम हताश हो जाते हैं. For
हाँ,
people who want
उम्मीद छोड़
हताश
देते हैं.
is बेबस. Disappoint. ना उम्मीद हो जाते हैं. हम लोग आर्सेनल हो जाते हैं after 6 seasons of coming second. कि आपको
6
नहीं जीत
season.
सकते कभी भी.
नहीं जीतना है.
No, and like looking at the reel from Michael Owen and the studio, right? Michael Owen was like, "Oh, it's 1-1. Liverpool's going to take the game."
That's everyone, right? Because they have been doing this. Like, forget the 3 games which they've lost. They've been doing this for like what, 5-6 games. Like last के 10-15 मिनट में आके like they're scoring winners. That's it. Because they've been so
And you
shit.
don't do
And
that. And you don't do this to Liverpool at Anfield. More important.
At Anfield,
See,
exactly.
At Anfield, right? I have never seen Anfield so quiet in the last 10 minutes of the game. एक आवाज नहीं, एक गाना नहीं.
कुछ नहीं भाई.
Anfield was like Man City that day. कोई चिल्ला पुकार. They were like just stunned. They didn't know what happened. I'll tell you why. One, because they didn't expect United to play so well. They क्या? We don't expect United to play so well. We thought Amorim doesn't expect United to play well. Suddenly,
The
out
things
of
when the
blue,
players expect. अभी इधर तक आ ही गया.
No,
तो
but
उनका भी
I-
नहीं मिल.
I think some of the things that Amorim was talking about, right, is that the team has to stand up and the team has to gel and bond, and some of those items seem to be coming forward now.
Finally. Like
It
after the final whistle, did you see these guys celebrating as if they won a Premier League? I mean, it's a little
See,
over the top the way Dillit and
and
Dalot and they were all slapping Maguire, pulling his
you
cheek. Like,
should,
good, okay.
yeah, no,
I,
but
I
you
love, I
should
love.
at
अच्छी
Anfield if
कैमरा
you're beating Liverpool, you should. उन लोग तो ड्रॉ करके
It's a
साकली
champion
खेलते
team.
थे, याद है ना क्लोप के टाइम पे हम
हाँ,
लोग इतना तो कर ही सकते हैं क्योंकि सी दिस यू नो व्हाई आई एम
क्या
सेइंग
खेलते थे? क्या खेलते
साकली खेलते थे उन लोग, याद नहीं वो वेस्ट ब्रॉम के
इससे
साथ 2-2
इससे
ड्रॉ
पता
करके
पता है इससे पता चलता है आदमी अपने रूट्स भूला नहीं ऑस्ट्रेलिया जाके बचपन में जो खेलता था अंधेरी ईस्ट में
ड्रॉ करके साकली खेल रहा है ना बैच but nah, see that's what I'm saying, right, ki like these sort of games, like the players we got in the summer, this is what everyone expected. Obviously we didn't start the season that way, but these are the kind of players we got and this is what we were expecting, and they're showing it for the past two games, just two games. I'm only talking about the last two games where everyone,
Sunderland and
like the whole team sort of,
so
they've turned up and we can see, and it's such a
no,
big
because
thing.
just
I I don't think that so. There's a big shift and it's coming in from the goalkeeper. The pressing game that we
Yes.
were playing, right? We played against Arsenal also, even though we lost. We were playing it from game one. That that kind of movement when the ball is not there in midfield is there. I mean, it goes missing quite a few times, and we've seen goals. But the stability we're getting from the back, right, is helping us a lot to ensure that these small mistakes don't break the team apart and like oh everybody starts to do what they want to do at some point of time. Uh, all that is
and that is
not there
why
anymore.
Mario you are required in every video of ours. You are a fucking Roy Keane. दिखता भी वैसे ही जो थोड़ा सा दाढ़ी वाढ़ी लगे. Such
नहीं,
a good point. The moment we change goalkeeper, हमारे टीम के डिफेंस का
you
कॉन्फिडेंस
know,
देख होता है.
exactly, you
पीछे
know
से
what,
बॉल
I,
निकलता
I was
है.
just about to tell Mario, like I'll go one up, like it's not even about stability, I'll just say it's fucking pure confidence. Forget stability
Oh
and
yeah.
fucking ball passing and everything, it's just
So
confidence in the
I'll tell
players
you,
कि हमारे
so
पीछे कोई बंदा है who can do basic
एक
saves,
गोलकीपर है जो जो
जो
बेसिक
उसका
कर रहा है,
काम कर
जो
रहा है.
लिटरली
हाँ,
व्हाट लेमन्स इज डूइंग इज मिनिमम बेयर
basic
मिनिमम बॉल आ
goalkeeping,
रहा है पकड़ रहा है कवर.
oh
normal
see
save आ रहा है, कवर
Adi
कर रहा है, इससे.
we
हाँ.
we
Then I
spoke
know
of
what Mario is going to say.
we spoke
34th
about
minute
the
वाला.
65th minute, right?
Yeah,
Yes,
65th minute
So
also.
Salah gets a ball right at his
bro,
feet, go right in front of him,
Open.
and you just
and
have to see how Lamens makes himself big in front of Salah,
Comes
right?
out. He charges
was
Salah. And
He
Salah
charges
just
Salah,
he
doesn't give
he
him
freaked
time.
out and yep, and that's such an important part because he didn't hit him and it went for a corner. Nah, he hit it
he just
outside.
fucked up.
Exactly, because he
Exactly.
came that way.
He did a
Yeah.
Bruno Fernandes. मार दिया किधर भी क्योंकि सैनी लेमन्स अचानक से बड़ा बन के उसके आंख पे आ रहा है और
उसको डरा
मोसाला
दिया
इज अ
भाई.
वेरी मोसाला इज अ फ्रेजाइल ह्यूमन. वैसा
हाँ,
उसको धक्का लगा तो गिर जाता है. ही इज मेड ऑफ ग्लास. तो वो बेचारा मार दिया. वो
उसका
छोड़
फोकस हिला
34th
दिया.
मिनट पे देयर वाज 34th मिनट पे ऑल्दो वो ऑफसाइड था. एक किक मारा लेमन
हाँ,
रोका पीछे गया रिबाउंड में और वापस एक और शॉट लिया
मैं मैसेज किया ना
लिवरपूल
ग्रुप
के
में,
अंदर.
याद है
उसने हाँ एंड
कि
डोन इज लाइक क्या
हमारा
बात है हमारा
कीपर
प्ले
विसल के बाद भी
बॉल
सेव
बाहर
नहीं कर
जाने
रहा
के
है.
बाद भी रोक रहा है.
क्या चोट, मैं
एंड
बोला
इमेजिन
भाई.
सो imagine the amount of confidence defense can imagine the amount of confidence it gives to Casemiro and Bruno Fernandes who both of them are playing deep pivot and they're like fuck it now we have a keeper जो शायद 50-50 चांसेस को रोक सकता है. हम लोग थोड़ा सा आगे स्टेप अप कर सकते हैं मिडफील्ड में एंड दैट इज
इतना
एग्जैक्टली
बड़ा
व्हाई Bosley, Gravenberch and McAllister did not have a role to play in this game because our midfield, in spite of the fact that we only play two deep lying midfielders and obviously Mount and Cunha, we're going to
Cunha
get to
dropping
Cunha,
that.
is
Cunha.
covering the grass, but still these guys were so good that their midfield, which is one of the finest midfields, for first of all, like
Yeah, of course. Everyone's
Bosley,
better than us.
McAllister,
And I'm not even
even
joking. It's a fact.
Nottingham, yeah, and we overran them, right?
Yep.
We overran them so much that literally for the entire game Salah का सिर्फ 3 बार नाम आया.